Hi guys, welcome to Quirky Trends, and today I am going to illustrate a detan facial that you can do at your home. And I am promising you that this is a very unique facial that will help you get rid of your tanning. And this is something that you might not have experienced before or might not have heard about it. So if you want to know about this unique facial, then do stay till the end of this video and let's get started. First, make sure that your entire face is clean, and I have already done my face wash, and now I am applying a deep pore cleansing milk by Inature Herbal. By just using a cotton pad, now I am removing Now the second step is, and it's very important because this is something that you might not know about, it's a tan removing cream from Nature's and it's called Lacto Bleach. I have been using it since past 3 years and this is an amazing product that I discovered. And what all you need to do is just take this cream out and apply it all over your face. Now all you need to do is leave this cream for almost 20 minutes and then we will do scrub. And that's why when I told you earlier that this is a unique facial, this is the reason. First we are applying the cream, we are letting it dry, and then we are using scrub, which is almost opposite of any other kind of facial that we do. So let's meet after 20 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back and now I'm using Gulab Gel by Dabur and I'm spraying it all over my face. And for scrub, I'm using oatmeal and yogurt skin whitening scrub by Lotus. This is a really nice scrub. You can't use it on a regular basis because the granules are it's too pigmented. So if you are using this scrub, then you should use it once a week. But it's a really nice scrub when it comes to skin whitening, and it also gives you a really smooth and clear skin. Now I am applying the scrub all over my face and using circular motion I am going to massage my face now. When the mixture gets bit dry, then again spray some Gulab Gel. I'm going to continue this massage for 5 more minutes and then I'm going to wash my face with clean water. Now I have cleaned my face, and as you can see, my skin looks a lot more radiant and the tan is also reduced visibly. And this is a very simple facial that you can do in your home, and you can repeat the process once a week to get rid of unwanted tanning or to get some glow in your face. And whenever you are going out for a party, it's something that you can just do beforehand because it won't take much of your time, and it's also really inexpensive. The lacto bleach cream costs you around 100 rupees, and the scrub comes for 200 rupees, and both of these can last for almost 30 applications. So that's quite, I mean, that's a value for money thing, definitely. Because if you go out for a facial, it will cost you around 1000 rupees, and this is something that you can do on your own at your own convenience at any time. And don't be thrown away by the word bleach, because this is a natural bleach which you can use on a everyday basis. It's unlike all those other bleaches that are there in the market. So I felt that that's something that you should know. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial, and do let me know in your comments if this method worked out for you as well. I have started a hack series on Instagram, and I have given the link for my Instagram profile in the description box. Don't forget to follow me there, because there you will get to know hacks video in just 30 seconds, some amazing beauty and DIY hacks. So do follow me there. And in the meantime, it's bye from me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And this facial is amazing because first of all, it's very inexpensive, it takes lot less effort, and third, it's the most effective way of reducing tan that I have ever found. So I hope that you try it out on your own. Do let me know if it worked out for you as well. I'm going to give the links for the products in the description box, because you might not get it in and around your neighborhood. So that's why I would suggest that you can try buying it online.